welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Finally, it's been a long time since I've done like a real haul. That's not what this is. I just ordered a few things from Ulta that I definitely needed and was running out of. I forgot the micellar water to take my makeup, but you know what? I digress. Here are some things that I ordered. I just really needed them really quick. I probably spent about $100, if I even spent that, because I have points. But if you guys are ready to get into just a few things that I got from Ulta, keep on watching. So, I actually got, these just came just now. I've been waiting all day. I've been trying to be productive on my day off and get some videos out, but I had to wait for this package to come. Just came. So, I have these two. Let me turn it this way. I have these two. You guys can't see my address. These actually came to my house. Usually, everything else comes to my mailbox, so let's get it. We're going to open this one first. I don't even know what's in here or why it couldn't just, I feel like somebody messed up. But here is the unboxing mermaid knife. Can I just rip it? I probably could, but you know what? Okay. Okay. That was really annoying. That was actually really annoying. It's just one glitter. I'm gonna assume it's the free one. They were buy two get one free. I don't even know if I have this color, but I wanted it. I usually keep a lot of glitters on hand, different colors, for when I do my own makeup and when I do someone else's. But so let's get into the other stuff, and I'll show you guys the other glitters that I did get. But that was stupid. That was wasteful. Jail.
Right to jail, right away.
Ooh, ooh. I got these. Alright, so let's see the packing slip. How much did I actually spend? It don't tell me. Nada. I'll have to check the app for that. But here's some things that I just really needed. Some were on sale. And again, I can't believe I forgot the micellar water. Okay, so here are the other two glitters. These are the ones that I paid for, I'm assuming, and that's the free one. Even though they should very well have been in the same box. That was so stupid. This also is giving Amazon packaging because the box is way too big for the things that I've ordered. Dumb. These are all the NYX Glitter Brilliance. So this one is in 10. It's like just the standard silver, but these are more fine glitters. This one, you guys can't tell. I feel like they gave me the wrong one. But this is also silver, but more with like rainbow reflex. Also a little bit bigger. And this one is a nice like royal blue, purple kind of thing going on. So really cute. And again, I just keep a lot of these all the time. Always. I love them. Anytime I see a color that I don't have, I always just go ahead and grab it. Here we have my Tarte Shape Tape. This is in Tan Sand. They added numbers to it, so it's 42S. I've been using this forever. I love it. The only other concealer that I like just as much is from Shein, and I think because I'm due a haul, it may be a Shein haul because I need their foundation. This is the foundation I'm wearing right now. I ran out of concealer a long time ago. I want to see what else I can find from Shein as far as makeup. Don't cancel me, please. Alright, next, because I ran out of my cleanser, you guys know I love my La Roche-Posay Effaclar cleanser. This has 2% salicylic acid, and I don't like breaking out. I did notice whenever I change my cleanser, my skin doesn't really like it, and then whenever I get hormonal breakouts due to my period, nothing else helps. And you guys don't have sensitive skin, but this is gentle enough to use as a spot treatment. A little bit goes a long way. So this is the smaller size. I think it's like $13. The bigger one is like $15, $16, I believe. But it's going to last me a long time. And I know I'm due for like a haul soon. So I just grabbed some things that I needed right now. And then some things that I liked. Next, I just got this On the Rise Volume Mascara from NYX. I like the applicator. I like more of like an hourglass applicator. This one is an hourglass applicator, but it's more tapered or skinnier at the end. And I want to try it. I'm always looking for a good mascara. And I think NYX had a sale. I think that's what happened. So I bought Steph. And I think I got free shipping. Next, I have... It's NYX. Next, I have the NYX Vivid Matte Liquid Eyeliner. I want to open this and test it out on my hand. I'm just really in need of a good black eyeliner. The ones that I have, I feel like I have a Maybelline that I've been using for a while. And it's just like the felt tip don't really do it for me. I have gel eyeliners, but I'm not always going to want to reach for a gel eyeliner. And honestly, NYX has one of my favorite eyeliners in terms of how dark and black it is. But like the applicator is, I'm gonna grab it and show you. I hate it so bad. That is the worst thing about that eyeliner, but it's so good. Give me a second. Here it is. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I really like it because it's really, really a good black eyeliner. I have another one that I got from my beauty set unboxing that is from a black owned brand. I don't remember it offhand, but I like it. It's a good felt tip applicator, but it's just not as dark or deep or rich as this one is. But here's the problem. Look at that. What is that? I'm gonna use this piece of this. Just because I know my camera's not gonna focus. Look at that. It's terrible. Why do you do that? It's like it's a mess. But like as soon as you go to put it in the cap, like you put the cap on, it frays, it gets stuck. Whatever is happening on the inside is ruining this eyeliner. So now when I try to use it, like there's nothing that you could do to get it back together. It's a mess. So now when you go to use it, even though it's still so much eyeliner in here because it happened, I feel like almost immediately, and just kept getting worse, the little fucking frayed pieces, which is full of ink and liner, get everywhere, and it's just a mess. And I still try to use it where I can to touch up other eyeliners, but I shouldn't have to do that. This, I really wanted it to work. I really liked it. It hates me. So just back to this Vivid Matte eyeliner. I believe it's like a bottle and brush type thing. It's super thin. I didn't even know that. Let's try it. Yeah, it goes on nice. Let me shake it up because it's feeling a little dry already, and I'm not feeling that. Sorry. Yeah, I feel like this one's a little dry. Okay, so it's very streaky. I feel like it's dry. That's so annoying. What I will do is drop some of my contact solution in here. I'm not big on like returning things. I hate it. It's so stupid. I'm sorry. And like returning makeup, they're just gonna throw it away. But whatever. I'm just gonna drop some of my contact solution in there. You only need like 1-2 drops, and it should revive the liner. I also do that with mascara. That's how you know I just don't. If it ain't broke, don't break it. And if it ain't done, I'm gonna use it up. I did pick up some Thayer's Witch Hazel pads. Of course, this was just a little bit cheaper than the bottle. Again, I'm just grabbing things that I need right now. And you could always make your own. I still have some of the big bottle and cotton rounds. That's what it is. But this is just a little bit more convenient for me. And I need to save time all the time now because I just feel like I don't have time to do anything. So there's that. Ugh, my baby's back. This I haven't had for a very long time. I've been using other serums. I've been using my ARiiE Vitamin C Serum. But this ARiiE Acne Blemish Control Treatment Serum, I love it. I love it so bad. This has 1.9% salicylic acid, and serums with salicylic acid have been for a little while harder to come by. And the one that I absolutely loved was from Truly Beauty, but that was what, between $50 and $70. And then they just changed the formula, and now it just says BHAs instead of salicylic acid. And when I spoke to someone, they really gave me nothing. And someone's like, salicylic acid, is it BHA? Okay, cool. But that doesn't mean that that's what's in there. And I don't know if the other ones are going to react to it. There's a whole video on it. I was very, very appalled. Also, the one that I had ordered from Ulta, I think I ordered one from Truly Beauty or Ulta, and I picked one up in the store, and the one that was in the store looked awful. I had to return it. It was just not the right color. It was cloudy. Everything about it was wrong. And I had my old container to compare it to, and it definitely used to say salicylic acid. The website still said salicylic acid. So I had to just get rid of it altogether. But once I tried this, loved it. It's not as expensive. I'm going to say it's like between $15 and $20. I don't know offhand. The packing slip doesn't have any prices, but for way less, it does the job. And I love it, and I recommend it to absolutely everyone. They also have the anti-acne blemish pads. It comes similar to the Thayer's pads, but again, it's soaked in lots of good stuff. Chamomile, salicylic acid. Those are together, you'll never see a face demon. Or if you will, they just stopping by. They're gone the next day. They were just playing. But so good. I really love this. And I first tried it because Jeremy sent it to me. I've been buying it myself ever since. For myself, for my brother, for his friends. Highly recommended. Right. Whew, I thought I had one thing left. All right, so we'll do this. So here I have the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. I tried this years and years ago, and I thought about it, and I just really, I wanted to run it back. Do I need highlighters right now? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But it's very affordable, and it's very pigmented. And honestly, if the package would have came early, I would use it with this look. Now, can I get it out the packaging? I cannot. Why? Because they hate me. What's that about? What is that about?
2,000 years later.
Give me my stuff, cause you get on my nerves now. All right, here we go. So for how much? For 5 grams of product, I don't know what I'm doing. Here it is. Even they're when it says butter highlight, they mean butter. I'm so excited. I haven't used this in so long, but it just feels so creamy. Look at that. Ooh, it feels so good. Look at that. Barely just one pass of my finger. It's this pigmented, and it feels so nice. They have bronzers, they have blush, everything. When they say butter, baby, they mean it. And I just wanted to run it back. I've been using a lot of gold lately as a highlight, opposed to like rose gold or anything else. I haven't even used anything fun coming back into like doing my makeup again for YouTube. But this, if you haven't tried it, try it. It's so nice. It's so good. All right, and the last thing, I got a NYX eyeshadow palette. Now, hear me out. The colors, it's already me. I'm here for it. So this is the Ultimate I Know That's Bright color palette. I guess. I know that's right. I'm pretty sure that's what that was. They like Cardi. I'm not really like a fan. I don't listen. I just think she's hilarious. So let's look some more at these. Yeah, I couldn't help myself. I'm also going to be doing another look from one of these submissions from Instagram because I got yelled at. So that's coming. Oh my gosh. Look at these colors. These are so beautiful. Okay, so there's stars around 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 14, 15, 16. So these 4, oh, they marked them. Perfect. So these 4, this purple, and these 3 down here, these are face pigments, not for the eye. Guess where I'm gonna put them? Just want you to know. And it's likely that they stain, and that's why, but I'm gonna do it. I am. Now, these 4, bomb ass look. Oh, the purple and this green with the yellow. There's 2 different yellows. One is really bright and one is a little bit more muted. So one is like more of a pastel, this one up here. I just think this is so gorgeous, and I'm gonna use it. Every color in here is just like, yeah, I need it. And I think it was also like pretty cheap. Guys, that's how you know I'm coming back full force to YouTube, because I'm so excited about these colors and I can't wait to use these for a look. If there's any colors that you want me to use for a look, you can just write me on Instagram or put in a comment down below. something that you'd want to see. I know someone had asked me to recreate a look that I've done with other colors, so I'm gonna try to get that out soon. But y'all, that is it. Just a quick little unboxing for everything that I got for under $100 at Ulta. I got a little bit of skincare, a little bit of makeup. I think we did good. So if you liked the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. Let me know down below, what would you rather, a larger haul from? Would you rather one from Shein or Ulta? I'm gonna make both happen. Shein would probably just be like makeup. I'm not gonna buy skincare from there. I'm scared. Even though like I already shut up. But Ulta would be like a mixture of skincare and makeup. I do need some more stuff, but I'm not doing my makeup as often. Crazy looks as yet, y'all. I'm coming back. There will be more makeup to be done, so I will need to re-up on a lot of things. So just let me know in the comments down below. Engage with me. You guys know how that is. If you like the video, make sure you like the video. It helps me out a lot. Y'all not liking the video and y'all watching it. So like as soon as you click on, just go boop and just like it one time. Even if you have to go away and do other things, just help the sister out. Okay? But that is it, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell and join the Clockwork Crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.